Okay, boys and girls, this week we've been getting familiar with 3D figures and their names and attributes. Today in our small group we'll be using iPads to play a Quizizz challenge so you can show what you know. If everyone has signed on to Quizizz on your iPads for this activity, we'll go ahead and get started. Since Quizizz is a new application, we'll go through the steps together. I'll show you how to use the app, and we'll do a couple of questions together as a group, and then you guys can all play the challenge on your own devices. Okay, so in a minute, but not yet, you guys will get started with your own devices. But first, you guys need to help me answer some of these questions, okay? So this is how your quizzes will look. Okay, it will give you a question and then 4 different options. Sometimes there's only 2, and you just pick which answer is best, okay? So this one, they give you a 3D figure, and it asks, what is this shape? And then down at the bottom, we see 4 options. There's sphere, pyramid, cube, and cone. Which one is correct? Yep, you write a cone. So go ahead and we click that, and it turns green. That shows that we are correct. Okay. The next one says the flat side of a 3D shape is called an edge, a vertex, a street, or a face. What do you guys think? Good, a face. Okay, so we'll click that and it turns green. That means we got it right. Good job. Okay, and then the next question says, what is the name of a 10-sided polygon? Okay, we have heptagon, decagon, octagon, and nonagon. How many sides does a heptagon have? 7, good. What about an octagon? 8, like an octopus has 8 tentacles, good. What about a nonagon? 9, good. That only leaves us with one option, and that's the decagon, good. All right. Okay, and then this is the leaderboard. It kind of shows your rankings and where you're at. Okay, this last one that I'm going to do with you guys says, what is this 3D shape called? Here's the picture right here. A rectangular prism, a triangular prism, square, or rectangle. Okay, you guys are right. It is a rectangular prism, but I'm going to go ahead and answer this wrong just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to click rectangle. Okay, you see how it lights up red? That means we got it wrong. Okay, so if that happens, don't worry about it and just try hard for the next one, okay? All right, thank you guys for helping me out. Now we'll get started on your quizzes, okay? So go ahead and pick up your device. When you open it onto the quizzes, it'll look like this and it'll say join a game, okay? And it'll have you enter a game code. So I'm going to go ahead and get that game code for you. Okay, so you guys will type in the game code 1226506. And when you do, it will come up and look like this. You'll just press start and your name appears there. So then on my screen, I'll get to see your name come up here, okay? All right, looks like everybody's on, so we'll go ahead and start the game. Okay, we'll do one of these questions together and then you guys will get to do the rest on your own. Okay, this one has this shape and it says identify the 3D figure. So A is a pentagonal pyramid, B says a square pyramid, C says a sphere, and D says a rectangular pyramid, okay? Now you have to be careful to look at the figure, okay? Go ahead and choose your option. All right, and once you're done, you'll have a little meme that pops up until everybody else is finished, and then we can move on to the next question, question number 2, okay? It says identify the 3D figure here. Okay, if it's a cone, you'll select A. If it's a sphere, you select B. If it's a square prism, select C, or triangular prism, you select D. Okay, go ahead and do the rest by yourselves. There's about 5 questions more showing what you know. All right,